Stacy would love it. So we're traveling the world. We're at, in Aruba at the Lionfish Snack Aruba. The lionfishsnackaruba.com or hunting lionfish Aruba. Patrick.
Patrick is right here.
Patrick Van Brackel. Now they're coming out. We have to see what they look like. The customer said the fish tastes good.
Alright.
What does it look like?
Looks like professional.
I like my customers. So thank God they're my friends.
There's a lionfish. Wraps. Yeah. So everybody can find Patrick. Yes. Patrick, tell me, where are we? We're at, what's the name of your place? Let me see.
Paradera 100.
Paradera 100.
That's nice. The nice number 100.
And what do you do at 100 Paradera? There's wild women here, or there's wild lionfish?
I'm selling the lionfish. Look at my dog there. Look at my dog.
Oh,
He is the scare of the neighborhood.
where to get some
I call him
tacky? Okay,
Tacky.
so it's
Well,
August
he's
3rd.
actually not mine. He is from my neighbors, but he travels around.
Okay, so what are you doing here?
Yeah, realize how much soda in the glass.
Hey, we're videotaping here. Patrick's telling me about his business. How long have you been in business, Patrick?
1 week.
1 week. And how many customers have you had?
Today?
No, in 1 week.
No, I only open it Friday and Saturday because, you know, I have my job.
What do you
I'm a
do?
teacher.
What do you do for a job?
I teach children,
What grade?
all grades,
All grades. From what age?
4 till 12.
4 to 12. So it sounds like preschool.
Yeah. Preschool, well, not preschool. Kindergarten and primary school.
Wow. And also you teach swimming?
No more, no, not anymore. Now this is becoming my side job.
Oh, you quit? No more swimming.
No, it was too much.
Who's taking your place?
Renting out 2 places and swimming school. And we had 7 instructors. I had to do, no, it was too much.
Too much work.
It became too much, and I was building this. I was trying to start up this, so wow, it was too much.
So is that a crazy customer there?
And friend.
Friend.
And customer.
Friendly customer.
Friendly customer.
Patrick has no friends. What was your friend last night that I met?
Sorry?
What was your friend's name last night that I met?
Which?
Second one. The one that left the last. Second last. I know his sister-in-law in Holland.
Oh, my friend who is also a swimming instructor.
Oh,
Leon,
okay.
it's called Leon.
What's his name? Bayon?
Leon.
Liam?
Lion.
Liam.
Lion.
Oh, he's Irish. Irish.
Yeah.
Lionfish Snack Shack. They're okay. That's what it looks like coming down the street. So everybody knows how to get here. We're gonna go see the back seating area. Patrick's famous truck. Lionfish van. This is made out of a container, so that's pretty cool. Patrick just made the roof. And we're gonna have some lionfish. Lionfish fillet, so nice back of the truck, Patrick. Then we have a cactus salad. Here comes the garden dining. Come around, come around. We're in the country. Now we're walking by. This is Patrick's kitchen. Tell what time it is.
I follow this because I follow almost all sailing channels. I want to build one more apartment, then I can rent out everything, and then go. Well, first my plan is to go sail around Muller or so,
Oh, just staying in the Caribbean.
and then
Then it's the sky is the limit.
sky is the limit.
Miami. We'll be in Florida.
And you can see us in New York.
Yeah, why not?
Yep.
Because there's one sailing channel I follow, and they are actually just left New York.
Oh wow.
They,
I have a friend who it's her second year. They just rented their apartment, left everything behind, and they are doing the same thing, just living on the boat, sailing all over the place. And
Yeah.
that's it. They're retired like that.
And this mommy's recipe.
yes. You know, it's a secret.
What's it called?
It's
Fritters?
it's a secret.
Secret.
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't give up the
Secret
family
recipe.
recipe.
But you want it to live forever. Looks pretty fresh. I like the mango.
Yeah.
Mango's really good in there.
Yeah, it's strange, huh? I never knew it. I saw it on YouTube, somebody putting a mango on top of his wrap, and he was, whoa.
Really good, yeah.
No, but Friday, so on Friday I will start at 4 o'clock.
This is the Lionfish
Wrap.
wrap. And this is
So when I finish school,
Lionfish
I can, barely, but I can make it open at 4. And then 4 till 8, and
Kind of like a dinner.
yeah.
how many days? So what's your hours?
Friday from 4 till 8, and Saturday from 12 to 8.
Wow, a lot of hours. No diving on Saturdays, no diving on Fridays.
Yeah, that's a pity, huh?
Yeah,
I have to give up some things.
yeah.